I'm gonna make my cheesy meatball sub casserole. In the pan right here, this is very easy. I don't say easy for nothing. I've got onion and green bell pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Hit it with some salt so all of the veggies can get nice and tender. And then once they're close to super tender, that's when you can add in the garlic. You don't want to brown the garlic, so I get that in. All right, so then over the top, I put some Italian seasoning. Let me come over here and show you the meatballs of the meatball sub. Okay, the reason I say this is easy, we're not gonna make the meatballs. You go straight to the freezer section and get them. There are so many different types. Italian flavored meatballs is what I'm using right now. They have really come up in the game in the freezer section. So this is a pound, and what I've done is you can see right here, I've just cut them in half. They're already cooked, you can see. So really when you're using them for anything else, if you're actually making a standard meatball sub, you could just use these, heat them up, and get them into your bread. All right, so vegetables, looking good, smelling good. All right, another store-bought shortcut, some marinara sauce. Get that in there. Now, if you're smart, you get some arrabbiata sauce, right? A little bit spicy if you like that, and it goes really well with the onions and the green bell peppers. So a pound of your meatballs is gonna get mixed with a pound of cheese. And I like to do Monterey, but you can do mozzarella, and that's what this is right here. Just get that right in. Now, it seems like a lot of cheese because it's thinly shredded, but don't worry about it. It's gonna melt down and really hold the casserole together and give us some gooey moments at the end. All right, now, right over the top. Didn't really do much work for this, right? Just saute some veggies and get them right in. Nice and steamy out here. All right, and then just get in here and give it a nice stir. Always lose some to the cause when I'm stirring. That's why I have dogs at home. All right, so I've got my dish that's already been sprayed. You can butter as well, but cooking spray, why not? And then just get this in. Look at that, cheese. You already know what's gonna happen when this cooks down. And it's mozz, come on. I'm just gonna level it a little bit and then get my topping on. Get excited when I see these meatballs coming together. All right, topping, very simple. This is my store-bought shortcut. Croutons, they're already made. You can find some garlic-flavored ones, even better. Plus, actually, oh, they came out of the bag. Actually, if you have some leftover croutons from making them at home, perfect. Now I'm gonna show you what to do to get them over the top. Now you think about it, you got your meatball parm or your meatball sub. So you've got the sauce, you got the cheese, you got the meatballs, and usually I like, the peppers and the onions over the top, so we got all that going on. Now we just need the bread. So, in a bag, just hook up the bread. All right, don't go down too far to like breadcrumb consistency, still want a couple of boulders left. And that's it. Just get in here and sprinkle. Even distribution. Remember, these are already made, so they've got that buttery, garlicky flavor, just like the bread, good old Italian bread. All right, breadcrumbs over the top. Now, I've got my grill set to 350 degrees. Obviously, you can do your oven inside at 350 degrees. And this really just has to come together and let the cheese melt and those meatballs come up to temperature. So about 20, 25 minutes, and it's good to go. I'm gonna get it in and show you what it looks like. Oh, yeah. All right. Indirect heat when you put it in the grill, so that means the heat would be turned on over here. You put the plate or the tray right here. So I'm gonna make sure that the heat is off on this side and then turn it on over here when I take this off. Oh, look at that. And here you have it, my very easy meatball sub casserole. Come on now. I always like to go in towards the corner and then create my serving size. Look at this, huh? Little cheese pool right there. Meatball sub goodness. Look at that. Team texture with the croutons on top.